Hello friends. Today we are starting subject English with unit 1, 1.1, the poem A Teenager's Prayer. Friends, every day we praise to God for something good. In this poem, a teenager also prays to bring out all the good things within him. In this poem, a teenager is expressing his thoughts about the decisions he wants to make for leading successful life. He prays to God to help him to lead the best life. Today we are learning this beautiful poem which is written by J. Morse. As you know that teenage is very important for everyone's life because it decides the future or fate of teenagers. Let's see the explanation of poem in detail. A Teenager's Prayer, which is in Marathi एका किशोरवयीन बालकाची प्रार्थना. Here is the first stanza. Each day brings new beginnings. Decision I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. The poet explains here that there are so many paths in front of me, and he wants to take or choose the road on which to travel is solely his responsibility. या ठिकाणी पोएटला असे म्हणायचे आहे की प्रत्येकाच्या आयुष्यात प्रत्येक दिवस काही नवीन घेऊन येत असतो. जेव्हा मला नवीन निर्णय घ्यावे लागतील अशा वेळी मी कोणता मार्ग निवडायचा याची निवड मलाच करावी लागेल. Now come to the second stanza. I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success, or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. In this stanza, the poet explains that there are two options in front of me. First, on which the life that leads great success, and the other on which the life leads to great distress, that is great worry. Here the meaning of this word distress means ताणतणाव, दुःखदायक. माझ्यासमोर दोन मार्ग असतील, त्यातील एक मार्ग कदाचित मला महान यशाकडे घेऊन जाईल, किंवा जो दुसरा मार्ग आहे तो मला अंधाऱ्या जगाकडे दुःखाच्या दिशेने घेऊन जाईल. पण हे देवा, त्यापैकी योग्य मार्ग निवडण्यासाठी मला मार्गदर्शन कर. Now come to the third stanza. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. Help me stand for what is right. Bring out the best in me. The speaker of the poem directly addresses the Almighty Lord. He prays to the Lord to open up his eyes so that he might see clearly and he can stand for what is right and to bring out best in him. इथे पोएट परमेश्वराला अशी प्रार्थना करतो की देवा, माझे डोळे उघड जेणेकरून मी सर्व स्पष्टपणे पाहू शकेन आणि जे बरोबर आहे त्याच्या बाजूने खंबीर उभं राहण्यासाठी मला मदत कर आणि माझ्यातील जे उत्तम आहे त्याला वाव मिळू दे. Now come to the fourth stanza. Help Lord to just say no when temptation comes my way, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. Here the word temptation means moh. काहीतरी वाईट करण्याची इच्छा. Here, poet seeks God's help to enable him to say no when he is facing any situation where he may overcome by a strong desire to do something bad or wrong. Also, he prays God to keep his body clean and fit for face the challenges of daily life. देवा, जेव्हा माझ्यासमोर एखादा मोहाचा प्रसंग येईल तेव्हा त्याला नाही म्हणण्याची क्षमता मला दे. म्हणजे मी कोणत्याही मोहाला बळी न पडता माझा देह प्रत्येक दिवसासाठी स्वच्छ ठेवू शकेन, सुस्थितीत निरोगी ठेवू शकेन अशी शक्ती मला दे. Now come to the last stanza. Here, when my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best with you walking next to me. Poet explains here that by the time my teenager years are over, he will surely know the truth that the life lived very best, so that he might keep his body clean and fit to face the challenges of life each day. He will surely know that the truth of life lived very best is always the one which is lived under the constant guidance of Almighty Lord. हे परमेश्वरा, या कालावधीत तू माझ्यासोबत राहिलास तर मी माझं आयुष्य कदाचित अधिक चांगल्या प्रकारे जगू शकेन. अशा प्रकारे किशोरवयीन मुलगा ईश्वराला प्रार्थना करतो. That is a teenager's prayer.